Hi guys, and welcome to another video. We will start the video with some good news.
Some very good news. Little Sammy has found a forever home and it's close by, so we can continue to see her.
Yes, and we finally finished the basement, or we finally finished emptying the basement. We haven't even started working in there. And we're also installing a video camera, so hopefully no more burglaries. So cue the time lapse.
Yeah.
What I'm gonna do is start clearing out this room and remove as much as possible in order for us to start the dig out. Okay, so that was full of 1,000-year-old water that just poured over me. Okay, so I'm gonna cut all these metal bars off before I poke an eye out, because I've been hitting my head in them. So what we're going to do here is we're going to measure the windows of the house. Today I'm just going to do some rough estimates in order for us to get offers in from different window companies. And what you normally do is you take exact measurements of the house when you do the actual order, and I'm going to let the company that we choose do that. So what they're probably going to do is they're going to take 3 measurements of the width and maybe 2 of the height to get the precise measurements. But today I'm just going to use a laser tool and a folding rule instead of a tape measure, just to get a rough idea of the size of the different windows in the house. Okay, so here in the hallway we have a later design that has been changed since the house was built. Now we have 2 separate windows here without the arc on top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure these windows, the existing windows, and then I'm going to measure the total distance between these 2 windows, and then see from the exterior how big the arc is going to be. So up here in the attic we are going to change the design and location of the windows. We are going to use rectangular windows similar to these, but flipped 90 degrees. We're going to put 1 over here, 2, 3 and 4 windows. And that's going to be the only windows up in the attic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some measurements of these windows, because they are basically the size we're going to use. Okay, so this is the arched window I was talking about. I'm not going to do any measurements of the arc itself. I'm just going to do some calculations based on the width that I have from the inside, and that should give me a rough estimate of the size and cost of this window. So what are we doing down here? We are trying to empty out all of the basement, everything down here, before we are about to start the digging for the underpinning. So basically I think we're going to start in this room. So basically this room is a priority, and that's where we made the least of progress. Excellent. Right, Anna? Tony?
Baby steps, as always.
Okay, so I'm standing in a part which is going to be a wine cellar or a wine room or whatever, and this window, we're going to block this window off and cover this section because we don't want a window in the wine cellar. So I'm going to keep all these bricks and then block off this window and remove it. Hi guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mount a video camera up here, which is gonna cover this whole area as well as the area over here, and hopefully that will prevent us from having any more burglars. Okay, so I've installed the camera now. This is the Ryobi Go PT Plus. It's a 4G camera that sends through a SIM card directly to my phone, and it can detect movements such as cars, people, etc. It has night vision, and it will cover this whole area. It will cover Anna picking up things from the basement. It will cover both these doors as well as the whole garden basically. So this is a provisionary placement, but it's good for now, and it will cover most of our needs as for now, and hopefully we won't have any more burglars, or if we do, hopefully we will catch them on film. So this is an old radiator pipe I'm cutting off, and I guess it could be quite a lot of water in there, so we'll see how long this lasts for. Great, I got brown water all over me. So these are the bricks that we have reclaimed. And we are gonna try to reuse as much as possible. And also these doors, we are gonna reuse them here. We are gonna close off basically half of this entrance, and we're gonna reuse the doors from the inside.
Hi there, are you in prison?
Yeah, it kind of feels like it. No, I just wanted to see if the rebars were going straight through to the other window or if it was two separate sections. We are going to remove these rebars and we are going to block up these two windows. So yeah, that's it. And on another positive side note, the basement is empty and finished and ready for underpinning and digging.
Yay!
Yes, so until next time.
Ciao! Ciao, ciao!